Welcome. If you want to install iPhone keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 2, at first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search wheel and type green Apple keyboard. We have to get this application from the Arvin apps. Right now click open, enable in the settings, click on the switcher, click OK, then just go back and tap to switch input methods. Switch to English United States keyboard and tap finish. Right now take a look, our keyboard theme has changed. So there it is, it looks very close to the iOS theme. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.